Ecological restoration is the practice of repairing, rehabilitating, or restoring degraded, damaged, or destroyed ecosystems to a more natural and healthy state. It involves a range of activities aimed at restoring ecosystem structure, function, and biodiversity, as well as enhancing ecosystem services and resilience. Ecological restoration can take place in various environments, including forests, wetlands, grasslands, rivers, coastal areas, and urban landscapes. Here are some key benefits of ecological restoration for ecosystem health. Biodiversity conservation. Ecological restoration helps conserve and enhance biodiversity by restoring habitat complexity, supporting native species populations, and promoting ecosystem connectivity. Restored ecosystems provide essential habitat and resources for a wide range of plant and animal species, including endangered and threatened species. Ecosystem services. Restored ecosystems provide valuable ecosystem services that support human well-being and sustainable development. These services include clean air and water, soil fertility, pollination, carbon sequestration, flood control, erosion prevention, and recreational and cultural opportunities. Habitat rehabilitation. Ecological restoration creates and restores habitat for wildlife and native species, helping to reverse habitat loss and fragmentation caused by human activities such as deforestation, urbanization, agriculture, and infrastructure development. Restored habitats provide refuges, breeding grounds, and migration corridors for wildlife populations. Climate change mitigation. Restored ecosystems play a vital role in mitigating climate change by sequestering carbon dioxide, CO2, from the atmosphere and storing it in vegetation, soils, and biomass. Forest restoration, wetland restoration, and reforestation projects help absorb CO2 emissions, reduce greenhouse gas concentrations, and mitigate the impacts of climate change. Water quality improvement. Ecological restoration projects can improve water quality by restoring natural hydrological processes, filtering pollutants, and reducing nutrient runoff and sedimentation. Wetland restoration, riparian buffer restoration, and reforestation help protect water bodies, enhance aquatic habitat, and support healthy aquatic ecosystems. Soil conservation and restoration. Ecological restoration efforts promote soil conservation and restoration by reducing soil erosion, improving soil fertility, and restoring natural soil functions and processes. Restored ecosystems help stabilize soils, prevent desertification, and enhance agricultural productivity and resilience. Flood control and disaster risk reduction. Restored ecosystems provide natural flood control and disaster risk reduction benefits by absorbing and storing excess water, reducing runoff, and mitigating the impacts of floods, storms, and other natural disasters. Wetland restoration, floodplain restoration, and mangrove restoration help buffer coastal areas and communities from the effects of extreme weather events. Cultural and social benefits. Ecological restoration projects contribute to cultural and social well-being by reconnecting people with nature, preserving cultural heritage and traditional knowledge, and providing opportunities for community engagement, education, and stewardship. Restored ecosystems enhance aesthetic value, recreational opportunities, and spiritual and cultural significance for local communities and society as a whole. Overall, ecological restoration plays a vital role in promoting ecosystem health, resilience, and sustainability, contributing to the conservation of biodiversity, the provision of ecosystem services, and the well-being of both people and the planet. By restoring degraded ecosystems and landscapes, we can reverse environmental degradation, address pressing ecological challenges, and build a more sustainable and resilient future.